welcome back. I seem to be wearing the same sweater a lot in my videos, but that's okay. So today I have got for you an EVERLANE haul. I have heard a lot of stuff about EVERLANE. I've been really interested in EVERLANE. They're supposed to be like a really ethical, sustainable, kind to humanity type of brand where you can get a lot of really great basics without a really insane markup. They're really transparent about where their clothing comes from, where the materials are sourced, the factories that they're made, and they're very transparent about pricing in terms of markup and what an item would cost if you were to purchase a similar item at a conventional store, I guess we'll call it, compared to EVERLANE. So I've been really interested in trying out their stuff. So I picked up a couple of things and I'm gonna do a first impressions and try on with you guys. So I've been really interested in EVERLANE and had my eye on EVERLANE because I'm trying to be a little bit more conscious of where my clothing comes from. As my style has sort of evolved, I am more interested in investing in key pieces that are a little bit more timeless, maybe a little higher quality and better made. And I think it's important to know where your stuff comes from, where it's made, and who makes it. So that's why I think EVERLANE really kind of has it nailed, which is sort of why it caught my eye. And because I was so interested in the brand for so long, I did reach out to EVERLANE and asked about their affiliate program, and they did accept me, so I am an EVERLANE affiliate. Everything that I'm going to be trying on and sharing with you guys today was sent to me through EVERLANE, so just keep that in mind. If you're interested in any of these pieces, I am an EVERLANE affiliate. I think as I go through these pieces, I'm going to kind of show you the item, what the price was, where it was made, and then on the website it actually compares what a similar product's price would be. So I'm gonna go through all those details with you in this haul. So I've never purchased from EVERLANE before. I know that I think they have free shipping in the United States, and they do ship internationally, but I'm not sure what the story is in terms of duties. I know Emma Hill did an EVERLANE haul and she's from the UK, so she did say that the duties were quite pricey. I'm from Canada, so just be aware of the exchange in terms of the Canadian versus US dollar, and I don't know if duties are waived or not, so there may be a duty charge if you try to order in from EVERLANE. If any of you guys are from Canada, let me know in the comments down below. Did they charge you duty? I am not sure if they will or not, so just keep that in mind. So the first thing that I chose in this haul is pretty typical for me, but it's a basic white crew neck t-shirt. So I picked up the Cotton Crew by EVERLANE. This is in a size small. I chose a size small because, again, I do prefer things to fit a little bit oversized. This was $16 US, and it says on the website that the traditional price for the same item would be $40. This is 100% cotton. And it's made where it says on the label where it's made on the inside. So this is actually made in Los Angeles in the US, which is pretty cool. A lot of my favorite t-shirts, like maybe I'll do like a best white t-shirt video, but another one of my favorite t-shirts is by 1920 New York, and they also source their cotton from Los Angeles, so I don't know if there's something about LA. Okay, so this is the first item, the Cotton Crew Neck t-shirt from EVERLANE. This is one of their most popular products. I really like it so far. It is really comfortable, really soft. The slim fit, this is a size small, so it is truly slim fit, but it kind of hugs your body or hugs your contours with a little bit of room, which I like. I just wanted to show you the length of it on me. So I'm wearing pretty high-waisted jeans. These are actually the EVERLANE jeans, but we'll get into that later. So it's a little bit longer, definitely easily tuckable into jeans, but it is a little bit transparent, so just be advised of that if you choose the white color. So I am wearing a black bralette underneath, and you can actually, I can see some of my skin showing through, so if you don't really love that, then maybe don't go for the white color, but they have tons of different colors. This feels really soft, really comfortable. It's not itchy at all. I do really like the way it fits, so I'm gonna tuck it in for you guys and see what that looks like. And this is what it looks like tucked in, so typically how I would wear any of my crew neck t-shirts. It tucks really well into jeans, no problem there. It's definitely not gonna come out on me. So I really like this t-shirt. I think $16 is a really good price for any basic. I think that's actually really hard to find. It's really soft. really comfortable, and I think just like definitely a key piece to have in your wardrobe. So this definitely no complaints. I think I will for sure be getting this in other colors. It's a winner for me. So the next thing I picked up in this haul is another basic. Clearly. It's a long sleeve t-shirt that's a little bit more of a boxier fit, and it's got the front pocket. This is actually called the long sleeve box cut pocket tee. This was $28 US. A comparable price for the same item would be about $55 US with a traditional markup. This is 100% cotton. I ordered this in a size small. It is meant to fit oversized, so I don't know if maybe I should have sized down. It looks a little bit oversized, but I do prefer that. It was made in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, and what I really like about this is on the website it says right in the description where the item is made, and then it links to that factory, so you can actually like take a tour of the factory, see the workers, read about the standards of the factory, which I think is really interesting. Okay, so this is the boxier long sleeve crew neck tee with the pocket front. I got this in like a stripe kind of pattern. This was $28. I ordered it in a small, and I'm super glad I did. It's a little bit oversized, but nothing too crazy. I really like the boxier fit. The length is a little bit shorter, I'd say, compared to the crew neck t-shirt. I think would have no problem tucking into high-waisted jeans, but if you were like a mid-rise or low-rise jean, then maybe just like a half tuck. The sleeves feel a little short, so I'm noticing that actually quite a lot with the Everlane stuff, but I do kind of like the drop shoulder here. I like the pocket, where are you? Wrong boob. The pocket detailing. It's just like a really easy basic. I think this will layer really well under a lot of stuff. Hi Chika. Where are you going? Yeah, I really like the way this fits. It got a lot of really good reviews online. I think I would definitely pick this up in other colors. So I really told you I got a lot of basics in this haul. The next thing I picked up is the Pima Stretch Turtleneck. This also had a lot of really great reviews. I just picked it up in white. What I like about it, it's not full turtleneck, so it's kind of like a mock neck, and I think that's a really flattering neckline. This feels really, really soft, and it's a more of a stretchy material. It was made in Lima, Peru. This goes for $30 US. Traditional retail comparative pricing, they said on the website, is $60. It says it's 91% Pima cotton and 9% elastane, so I can feel it is quite stretchy. It has a lot of give to it. Okay, so this is the Pima Stretch Turtleneck, and I picked it up in white. This is an extra small. I didn't tuck it in just so you guys can see the length of it and how it fits. This is really, really soft, really stretchy, and I like that it's not like sucking, like attaching itself to my body. It feels bodycon, but there's still a little bit of give and a little bit of room. Maybe don't pick it up in white though, because it is pretty transparent. Like, this is my whole bra. Hello. Enjoy it, world. So this is what it looks like tucked in. I really like it tucked into jeans. I think this is just like a really easy key layering piece. So this was $30 US. I think it's a really good price for what it is. It feels fairly thin but high quality, like it doesn't feel cheap to me at all. I just don't think I would get it in white if like this sort of see-through moment bothers you. It doesn't really bother me that much, but I think wearing it to work, I would need to style it a little bit more appropriately. This piece I was so excited about. I have heard so much about the denim from Everlane. They get rave reviews. The price point is ridiculous, like unbelievably affordable, and apparently they are super high quality. So I did order, what are they called? The cheeky high-rise straight jeans in the ankle fit, because I am short. I am 5'5". I ordered these in a size 24. I spent a lot of time kind of trying to figure out the sizing. Normally I'm a size 24 to 25 in Levi's, like Levi 501s or Citizens of Humanity. It said on the website you can kind of order it in two different ways. So if you size up, it'll be more of a looser fit, and then if you size true to size, it'll be more of a slim fit jean. They say that they don't bag out, which is very important for me. I want my jeans to have a little bit of stretch to them, but I don't want them to get so like baggy and weird where they don't fit properly anymore, or you get like a weird ballooning out at the crotch. These jeans are really affordable. They're $68 US. It says on their website a comparable traditional retail would be $160, and the way these feel, I would agree with that. They feel very similar to a lot of my Citizens or my Levi's jeans. These are a straight fit jean, and they are made of 98% cotton and 2% elastane, so I do feel that little bit of stretch, which is feels really nice. Everlane says that the key to their denim is the Japanese denim fabric that gives it the feel when you wear it and is the key to it not bagging out. So we'll see how this fits. So these are the cheeky straight ankle length jeans from Everlane. I got these in a sky blue. These are in a size 24 and they fit me pretty perfectly. They are very high-waisted, so my belly button is here, which I really like. And I'm really liking the bum situation, the posterior chain situation with these jeans. I got these in the ankle length because I am pretty short. So these have 5 pockets, legit pockets. It is a zipper fly, so just so you know, a lot of my high-waisted Levi's are a button fly, which I prefer, but these are a zipper, which I actually don't mind. I'm not getting any crazy like camel toe situation. I feel really like flattened out. These pats, the squat test for me, they are really comfortable. When I first put them on, they felt a little bit tight around the waist, but as I've been wearing them even through this haul, it's been stretching out and getting a little bit more comfortable. And I'm about to go to my nephew's birthday party and I'm gonna put these through the food baby test, so I will let you know down below how that went. But these feel really comfortable, really soft. I really like the way they look and they fit perfectly, so they were correct. This does fit true to size, and if you choose to go true to size, then it'll fit like a really nice proper fitting jean. And if you wanted more of like a baby boyfriend kind of slouchier fit, then I would size up. These remind me a lot of my favorite jeans, my Levi wedgie jeans. Yeah, I really like these. I'm really impressed actually. So getting into the last piece of this haul, I am so excited about this piece, and this is something that I've actually been eyeing for like the past 2 years, and it is the Everlane Oversized Blazer. I picked it up in black. I think black is nice and safe, but I am so obsessed with they also have like a herringbone pattern, which I absolutely adore. And then they also have like a gray checked pattern online. This was definitely the priciest item out of this haul. The blazer was $160. Before I ordered this, I did check the size guide and I also watched Emma Hill's Everlane haul, and the blazer did seem to fit really quite oversized. So I decided to pick this up in a size 0, which I think would be true to size for me. It feels really thick, really durable. It's lined on the inside. It's got 2 button downs, a front pocket, and 2 little pockets here. The sleeves look like they're a little bit short, but we'll see what it fits like. It's made of 68% wool, 28% nylon. It does have a little bit of stretch, and 4% other fibers. I don't know what that means. This one is made in Binh Duong province, Vietnam, and it does say it's dry clean only. Okay, so just showing you the Everlane blazer, the oversized blazer. This is in black. This is a size 0. Definitely fits a little bit oversized, but true to size for me. So normally I'm like a size extra small or size 2 in like an Aritzia blazer, for example, or a Zara blazer. So this is just to give you some reference. It feels really comfortable, really durable. The sleeves feel a little bit short. So normally it does fit me properly because the shoulder is hitting me right in the right place. And it is, just so you guys know, there is a little bit of padding in the shoulder too, I think, to give that more oversized kind of structure. But the sleeves do feel a little bit short. So normally I like to kind of go like this with my sleeves on the blazer. Normally with a blazer, I do kind of do it Miami Vice style too, and normally I roll up the sleeves. So it's not that big of a deal for me, but just so you guys know, if you have long arms, it might be a little short. But yeah, so just see what I mean. I really like it with the sleeves rolled up. They actually stay up and it's not too tight or anything like that. It's not cutting off any circulation, and I just think it's really cool that, you know, these came from an ethical place. Like, you know where it came from, you kind of know who made it. I just think you can feel good in what you're wearing and feel good about what you're wearing at the same time, and that's what I really like about Everlane. But this is definitely my favorite piece from this haul. I think I'm going to be wearing this blazer a lot. That's everything for the haul today, you guys. Overall, I am really impressed with the quality and how soft and really comfortable everything feels. Everything is right up my alley, super basic, really versatile and easy to style in multiple different ways. I'm really impressed with the blazer and the jeans especially. Those are my favorite. Some of the items in white are a little bit transparent for me, but I think if you were to choose other colors, you would have no problem with that, and I think you'd be really happy with what you got for the price especially. Basically, what I really like about Everlane is I instantly felt really good in every piece that I tried on, minus a few cons, but I instantly felt really good. I felt comfortable. I felt like myself. And I also felt good about knowing where the pieces came from, that they came from a good place and from a company that bases everything they do with really good intentions. So I definitely would check out Everlane again. I will link every piece down below in the description bar if you guys are interested, and let me know if you want to see more stuff from Everlane. I'm like totally, I just burped, totally down to do more Everlane hauls. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever shopped at Everlane and what your favorite pieces are. If you have any recommendations for me to check out more items and more key pieces from them. Let me know what your favorite piece was in this haul. For me, it was definitely the blazer and the denim. If you like this video and want to see more, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to see you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!